landing at. Two-stroke on the street, might catch me overseas. Poppin' willies out of UK. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the greatest channel on the planet Earth! What you talking about? Listen! Hey! My bad, I be a little quiet, my neighbors. My bad, big dog. Check this out, we trying to get that YZ back poppin'. Have any of y'all ran this oil? Let me know. You know, I'm about to come back with that Casper. What we think happened is, a few weeks ago, the last couple videos I dropped, the bike started acting a little boggy, a little funny, right? Alright, back outside, had to get the gas in there. Maybe it's the spark plug. I was right. I ran through the gas, I was rushing, I missed it with a gas tank. One of these guys had a little crack in the tire, so I was rushing, missing the gas. You did? I partially missed the gas, threw it right in the bike. Trying to give y'all a video, trying to give y'all content. See, I'm gonna blew the bike up, dog. I dropped the oil out of there, went through the car, tweaked it. You did? Cause I don't like that, man. So we're gonna run back with these two new products. I mean, I've been running the 927, but I never ran this. So we're gonna run with these today and try to get that YZ back how it used to be. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tap in. We get on this back one. We got that right in there, and I got that mix. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and fill this up to the appropriate 750. I need them 750 milliliters in there. I gotta do the spark plug as well. Go ahead and bust them up before it. Supposed to make the clutch engage a little more on point, more snap. You smell it, check it out. So I'm gonna have to fill this up twice. And you get 500 right here. From there, I got to put 100, 200. To get to where I'm trying. Alright, next thing I gotta do is get that old sparkle pop out of there. I know it is. Yeah, anyway. This one I'm running, as you can see right there, that NGK. Ooh, there you go. I broke my thumb. Bruh. Yeah, he a little wet. You see the difference? Bow! Yeah, it is. Pop the seals right here, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. Let me make sure again. Like I said, we wanted 32 to 1. We got 2 gallons, as y'all can see. I got it at 2 gallons. Going through that electron line. Oh yeah, he in that electron. I see it, baby. That line, he in there. Jiggling.
Niggas gang banging on the keyboard. Gang banging on the keyboard.
Oh. Good slippery.
What, Daddy?
Come on, let's go now. Let's get your buddy. God! That this spark gonna do?
Nope.
Yeah, let's go.
I stalled it. First kick. You see. Other been digging, it's alright. You ain't got no shoes on anyway.
Got
In it. Two-stroke on the street. Might catch me overseas. Popping willies out of UK. Do a big YC gang.